can I share a secret with you really quickly about presenting online? No one seems to know this. Here it is. You don't need a second screen in order to view your notes and share your slides. Trust me on this. Most people just now are using presenter view on one screen and sharing their second screen so people only see the slides. I get it, that seems logical, but you don't have to do it. Let me dive into my desktop here. I've got Zoom and PowerPoint open. I'm going to go into my slides and I'm just going to click to present my slides. They come up full screen. I can't see my notes. I can't see the next slide. This is not the view that I want. So in order to change into presenter view, I just go down to the bottom left-hand corner, click on the three little dots and click use presenter view. Now I see my current slide, my next slide, and I would see any notes. I can also scroll through to select the slide that I want next. So now I want to screen share it. So if I jump into Zoom and I click on share, the first option is problematic. Entire screen. This is going to share the presenter view. So people are going to see my notes. They're going to see all of my slides at once. I don't want this. So look further down. Application window. Now the first application window is also presenter view. So again, people can see all of my slides and all of my notes. I don't want this. But look at the third application window option. The third option is Microsoft PowerPoint, and it's just the slide that I'm currently on. No presenter view, just the slide. So if I click share, a little glitch in all honesty happens here. So I click share and I'm back on full screen mode, and this is the slide that they are seeing. So I've lost my presenter view. But now I just turn it back on. Back, three little dots, and I click on use presenter view. And now again, I can see any notes I have. I never have notes, clearly. And you can see my next slide and all of the other options that I have. So I can scroll through my slides and I can select the one that we need to view next without them seeing I'm scanning through my slides. Or I can view my notes without them realizing that I am viewing my notes. But what are they seeing? Are they seeing the full screen? Well, if I click on the little preview, no. They are seeing just the slide that I want to present. So for screen sharing, PowerPoint is pretty clever. It creates two views. It shows you presenter view, but also has a kind of virtual screen that is just the slide. So as long as you select the correct window, you're allowed to view your notes and all of your slides while they are only able to see the slide that you are talking about. No one knows that exists. So no more need for a second screen. Don't have a screen that is just filled with your own PowerPoint slide. You can do it just with one screen, one laptop, and you're still able to see your notes. Just make sure you select the right window to share. Good luck.